welcome back. So today's video is going to be my empties. Guys, this is like a month and a half or 2 months of empties, so I'm gonna go so fast. I just need to get rid of my trash, and I've been like hoarding this in a closet. So let's go through the big things. I finished the vitamin D3 pills. Take those because I have multiple sclerosis and my neurologist recommended them, so I don't know why I even keep those, but Nestle Coffee Mate sugar-free hazelnut. This is my favorite creamer if I have to go sugar-free. Highly recommend that one, but if I don't go sugar-free, I love like regular hazelnut and other creamers. I have several of these simple cleansing cloths. These are the ones I buy in bulk on Amazon. I'm throwing them into this like bin over here, so if you're wondering why my hand's like going that way. I also used up the Equate Beauty Lavender Scented Epsom Salt Soaking Aid. This lavender one from Equate is nowhere near as good as Dr. Teal's lavender. So if you are trying to save a buck, maybe you could go that far. But honestly, guys, it's not really that good. Just being honest with you. It's not that good. I also used up, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation, Full Coverage Matte Finish Oil Free. This is in the shade 4.0. I do want to repurchase this, but I'm going to repurchase it in like a little bit lighter shade, maybe a 3.5 or 3.0. This is like my tan yellow based summer shade. And right now, obviously it's winter and I look pasty, so I can't really pull off that shade anymore. I think I'm going to rinse out that bottle though and let my daughter play with it because it's nice and plastic. I used up this Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. It's a great moisturizer. I really like it for just everyday kind of moisturizing. It's pretty good. All right, I found more empties. Okay, now speaking of the good Epsom salt, this is the Dr. Teal's lavender one, pure Epsom salt soaking solution. I finished 2 of them, love it. I also finished the Bodycology Coconut Hibiscus. These are the bath fizzies. There's 8 of them. That one's coconut hibiscus. Very coconutty. If you don't like a Hawaiian scent in your bath, you might not like that one. And then this one is the Cherry Blossoms. This one I liked. If you guys are looking for bath fizzies or bath bombs that are like affordable, these ones are them. I'm sorry if you see the sun is like hitting my neck, but I guess I can move a little bit. These ones are really affordable from Walmart, and they're not as good as like Bath & Body Works, the ones from Ulta or whatever, but they're okay. If you're like me, you can't afford to spend $5 on every single bath, so sometimes you just gotta buy the ones that are okay. Another simple cleansing cloth. Oh my gosh. Another simple cleansing cloth. Another sugar-free hazelnut creamer, what do you know? Pumpkin spice flavor Coffee Mate Natural Bliss creamer. I buy 1 bottle of pumpkin spice a year. That one's just fine. I just use it once and I'm like, okay. These are the Neutrogena facial wipes. I bought that small pack to take on a trip with me. I honestly like the simple ones better, and they're cheaper on Amazon than the Neutrogenas ever are. I used up the Vitafusion prenatal gummies. I love those, very sensitive on the stomach. Through every pregnancy I've had, I've always come back to those, and in between pregnancies and everything, I always come back to those. They don't bother my stomach at all, and they taste pretty good. I use up 2 of these Neutrogena Rapid Clear Treatment Pads. These are the salicylic acid acne pads. There are 60 in each, and I just had 2 going. I had like 1 in my bedroom, 1 in the bathroom, I think. So I used up both of those. Also used up the Head & Shoulders Smooth and Silky Shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo. Now, people used to think like that Head & Shoulders was only like 2-in-1, like shampoo and conditioner. And that is not the case anymore. They actually make a really good shampoo and a very good scalp conditioner. And their conditioner for the scalp, yeah, it's for dandruff. Like it's like got that, what's it called? Zinc pyrithione or pyrithione zinc. I can't speak. I don't know what that says. Pyrithione zinc, anti-dandruff. But you can use it on your scalp and it doesn't make your hair greasy. I still only wash my hair 3 times a week. Usually like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or whatever I feel like doing that week, depending on what events I have. And I can put that on my scalp and my hair doesn't get too greasy. This is a different conditioner though. It's the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Conditioner with Pyrithione Zinc. This is good for dry scalp, itchy scalp, nourishes and soothes itchy dry scalp for smooth, less frizzy hair, no visible flakes with regular use. This highly, 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 highly recommend it. That and the Head & Shoulders one. I also use up this Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I have really dry skin. This is dimethicone 1.2% skin protectant. This works for my daughter who has very sensitive skin, and I've been using it too and I like it. So I also used up this e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I'm not going to be buying high-end eye creams anymore. I found that this one works just fine. So we'll definitely have that. This is my new favorite lip product. So I used to use the cherry, like classic cherry chapstick for years and years and years. And now I'm obsessed with this. This is the Nivea Lip Butter. This one is in Vanilla and Macadamia Kiss, but I used it up. Like I kept this in my nightstand and it is gonzo. So I bought another one of this exact one, but I also am interested in trying, they have like a rose one and a different one. I really like that one. I also like the Carez one. That's pretty good. Then I used up the Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment, salicylic acid acne medication. It says 100% of people show clearer skin in just one day, won't over dry skin. Oil free. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay, but I still have acne. I don't know if you can tell, but I do. And I use this up, so I don't know. This is for those Neutrogena pads. Then I'm getting rid of this last product, the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. It's just not working for me anymore because I think it's drying out. I've had several of these. I think I have 2 more left. I buy them when they're buy one, get one half off at Ulta. And that one is done for. That is it for my empties for basically November and December. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.